LMT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Lockheed Martin Corporation, 468 bucks is where we're sitting at. And honestly, mate, I'm just looking to double down on this. I mean, like before, it was also very low. Almost reached the top. I'm not changing from this. I'm not even moving from this. From this point, you know, it was 457 at the time. Very decent right now. It's 468. I mean, it will definitely still make sense to buy if there is a double break, but if not, I'm really not forcing this movement whatsoever. So if you want to stay tuned and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. It's absolutely free. Get my free insights as well. Now, on top of it, I don't know if it's in my Discord, which you can see 4 results pop up in the trade alert section. And yeah, I mean, there's really nothing else that I would add onto this. So yet again, if you want to get my free emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free.